What's up, Internet? Welcome back to another Rad. Welcome back to another Rad Labs edition. Rad Labs. Science and shit. Rad Labs. Science. Yeah. I don't know if you guys can hear, but check this out. You guys hear that? Did you guys hear that? Smack, smack, smack. Well, I got a new exhaust on the DRZ. There's a pretty widely regarded company called MRD Racing who makes exhausts for the DRZ, and that's who I went with. If you've ever been on a DRZ forum in your life, you've probably heard about MRD Racing. It was pretty easy to install. Actually, when I say easy, I mean like brain dead easy to install. Not only does it sound cool, it does feel more powerful. You know, the DRZ being carbureted and all, this new exhaust does make it feel a little more powerful on the bottom end of the rev range. I don't really notice much of a difference like higher up in the revs at speed, but there's definitely a improvement in acceleration. I hope with the jet kit and a 3x3 mod, it'll make this thing a little more powerful. Yeah, let's take a break. Check this exhaust out. Like I said, it was super easy to install. That's what it looks like when you're done. The hardest part was probably just feeding the piping of the exhaust through the engine bay there. There's a gasket inside your where the header goes into the engine there. I just reuse mine because this bike only has about 1,200 miles on it, so I just felt it was okay. There's a seam right here on your exhaust, but you don't need any kind of clamp or nothing, according to the instructions from the from MRD exhaust. I was going to do a how-to video, but there's already a ton of people that have done one, and I felt like I was just beating a dead horse, so I just opted out. Also, this screw right here came out of my bike, probably from too many wheelies. I don't know. We're just on the side of a road. We'll test out how loud this exhaust is. So just outside on a normal day, right behind the exhaust, you're looking at about high 70s decibel wise. About 78, I would say. It's going between like 70 and 80. Yeah, I'd probably call it like 75. Take a couple steps back. We're about 10 feet away from it now, about low 70s. So that gives you an idea how loud it is. It's not loud enough that it makes me lose my hearing, but it is loud enough to sound good. But I do like the exhaust though. I do like it. I think it sounds nice. It's got a better look than the stock exhaust, which is pretty much a given with any aftermarket exhaust. And yeah, it wasn't too expensive. It was $480. Shipped from Riverside, California, which is right down the road from my house here in Vegas. And by right down the road, I mean about a 4-hour drive. So yeah, I give it a 10 out of 10. I like it. I'm satisfied. I'd recommend it to anybody. Installation was super easy. The guy in that Chevy was staring at me. Installation was super easy and very easy. I mean, what more could you want out of an exhaust, honestly? I give it 10 out of 10. I would definitely buy it again. My only complaint, and this is very minor, and I understand why, I ordered it back in April, like April 28th, I think it was, and I didn't get it in the mail until I think it was June 7th or 8th that it arrived. So it was a long time. I talked to the gentleman that works there. It seems like everybody talks to him, and he advised me it's because they're all handmade, and you know, they have to actually produce it. They all get handmade, so it takes them a while. And the craftsmanship is really nicely done, especially where the two pieces meet and you slide the one over top of the other. Oh man, it's like seamless. It's really well done, and yeah, I'd recommend it. I do like that pop noise that it makes. It feels really thumpy, I guess. Thumpy, and I don't even know how to describe it. It just sounds cool, I think. Riding around downtown with my loud exhaust. My favorite bar is still closed. I really miss that place. I didn't go there that much before the pandemic, and now I miss it. You don't know what you got till it's gone. We'll do just one more. I'm satisfied. I'm gonna call it a day. Alright YouTube, it's been another Ride to Rad Labs, testing out this exhaust. I hope you get a general idea of what it sounds like. I'll post a link down in the comments in case I've got any DRZ people that want to get them one. Other than that, this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button. If you liked my video, please, 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 please hit the like button. You're doing me a huge favor. And other than that, guys, the pandemic is not over. Avoid people, wash your hands, etc. Do as best you can. Don't take any unnecessary risks. And man, I'm hoping things will be better soon. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Have a good one.